Good morning everyone. Welcome back to our Google Classroom. In the last class, we have seen the factorization of expressions using common factors. Second method is by regrouping terms, in which we have to observe the terms and we are arranging the terms to get a common factor. Here we discuss the second method, regrouping the terms. Okay. The second method of factorization is by regrouping terms. In this method, we have to observe the factors, not the factors, terms. Each terms and then the factors of the terms very well. Then we will get the idea how we can regroup the terms. Okay, one example, 2xy plus 3 plus 2y plus 3x. Here, first two terms, 2xy plus 3, there is no common factor. But first and third terms have common factor y and 2. So, we can rearrange like this, 2xy plus 2y. This 2y we can write together with this 2xy. Then second term plus 3 plus the last term we can regroup with this 3 because there is a common factor 3. Understood the method? From the question we have to understand which terms we have to group together. Now we know here 2y is the common factor. So we can write 2y and here remaining x into x plus 2y is here, so 2y divided by 2y we will get 1. Is it? So these two terms we can write as 2y into x plus 1 plus 3. Both of these two terms have the common factor 3. But here this 3x we consider first. So 3x, x is here plus this 3 will have remaining 1. 3 into x plus 1. Why we written so here 3 into x plus 1? Because here one factor is x plus 1. So we choose here also one term as one factor as x plus 1. Okay. Next from this step we can see x plus 1 is a common factor. Now these two terms are there. 2y into x plus 1 plus 3 into x plus 1. Here which one is the common factor? X plus 1. Let us take outside the bracket x plus 1. Here remaining 2y plus here remaining 3. So we got x plus 1 into 2y plus 3. These are the factors of the given expression. Okay. Next question is factorize 6xy minus 4y plus 6 minus 9x. Here first two terms have the factor y, that is visible, but some numbers also common there. So what we want to do? We have to split and write like this. 6 can be written 2 into 3. 4 can be written 2 into 2. So it can be rewrite as 2 into 3 into xy minus 2 into 2y plus 6 can be written as 2 into 3 minus 3 into 3x. 9x can be written as minus 3 into 3x. What is the common factor here? 2y. 2y, both of the terms there is 2 and y. So we can write 2y as common factor. Here remaining 3x. 3x minus simple the minus 2 plus 3 is the common factor here. 2 into 3 minus 3 into 3x. 3 into 2 minus 3x. So we can write 2y into 3x minus 2. Here term is 3x minus 2. This factor is 3x minus 2. So we have to change this factor like this one. So here 2 minus 3x. How we can write this as 3x minus 2? This 2 is positive. Here it is negative. But here it is 3x is positive and 2 is negative. So we are taking negative outside. That means we are dividing by minus 1. So this plus 3 will become minus 3. Minus we put outside. Then minus outside, then minus 3x becomes plus 3x. Plus 2 becomes minus 2. Okay. From the bracket, if we are taking negative outside, the sign of these two terms will change. Okay. So here plus we wrote as minus. Then the sign of symbol of these two terms will change. Negative 3x becomes plus 3x. Plus 2 become minus 2. Now we got 2y into 3x minus 2 minus 3 into 3x minus 2. Now these are two terms. One term, second term. Here one common factor 3x minus 2 can be outside. Then we can write 3x minus 2 remaining 2y minus here remaining 3. So 3x minus 2 into 2y minus 3 are the factors. Okay. Let us do exercise 14.1. Question 3. That is from this category we can do some problems. Which category? Regrouping terms. Factorization by regrouping terms. Question. Factorize x square plus xy plus 8x plus 8y. X square means x into x. Xy, there is also x. Next term 8x, 8y. Which is the common factor? 8. Okay. So we can rearrange x into x plus xy. No need to rearrange. As the given we can write x into x plus xy plus 8x plus 8y. Here x into x plus xy, which is the common factor? X. X is the common factor. So we can take x outside. X into x plus here y. Next term 8x plus 8y. Common term 8. So common factor 8. So we can write 8 into x plus y. Now these are the two terms because only one plus is there separating these two terms. From these two terms we can observe x plus y is the common factor. Here x into x plus y, here 8 into x plus y. X plus y is common. So we will write x plus y outside. Then x in x plus 8. Here x, here 8 is remaining. X plus y into x plus 8. These are the factors of this expression. Okay. So you observe the numbers and then you have to decide which terms we have to regroup. Okay. From there we will choose the common factor and the remaining factors we will write like this. Okay. Next one. Ax plus bx minus ay minus by. Ax plus bx. Okay. you can understand x is the common factor. Then we will write x into a plus b. But here we have to take this a plus b as a term. So we have to rearrange or we have to change the given expression. Minus ay minus by we can write minus of ay plus by. Minus we take outside and we will get this term as ay plus by. Here y is common factor that we put outside the bracket. Minus y outside the bracket, we will write x into a plus b minus y into a plus b. So observe here, ay plus by, y is common that we written outside the bracket. Now here a plus b is common, a plus b into x minus y. A plus b here we written, so remaining here y. Okay, next factor is y. So a plus b into x minus y is the factors. Okay, so whenever you are getting a question, you have to observe it well. Then you can rearrange and then you will get the common factor. Then that common factor outside and other remaining terms in the brackets. Okay.